Today I am showing my classic facial on a client who has been coming in for a monthly treatment for over a year now. She has a normal but slightly dry skin type with occasional texture issues and minor congestion and redness. Starting her first cleanse with one of my favorites, the Ormenic Balancing Cleanser by Image Skincare. This gel-based cleanser contains a blend of aloe vera, botanicals, and flower extracts. It really foams up nicely and gently removes makeup, residue, and impurities without stripping away moisture. For her second cleanse, I'm using the Ageless Total Facial Cleanser by Image. Honestly, this is another favorite cleanser of mine. It gives a slight tingly, cooling effect to the skin due to the combination of glycolic acid and menthol, which helps to slaw away dead skin buildup as well as decongest clogged pores. Your skin will definitely be glowing after using this cleanser. It does the job. For the exfoliation process, I'm using the enzyme powder number 113 by Estemax. With its key ingredient being papain, which is an enzyme extracted from a papaya. The enzymes eat away all the dead skin buildup and can also help remove damaged keratin buildup. Clients may feel a slight tingle from this, but I can use it on all skin types, even the most sensitive. I am now applying organic grapeseed oil to create a nice glide for the facial massage portion. This is a lightweight, non-comedogenic oil, so it will not clog pores or leave the skin feeling greasy. For the mask portion, I'm applying a combination of the Max Mask and the Ormedic Balancing Gel Mask. The Max Mask has peptides and plant cell extracts that help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, and it leaves your skin firm yet hydrated, as it also is packed with squalene to lock in moisture. I added in some of the Ormedic mask, which is made with aloe and botanical extracts to help calm, eliminate redness, and soothe skin. Both of these masks are from good old Image Skincare. I am using a Palo Santo smudge spray to clear and protect the energy in this space, to allow the client to manifest and truly be able to connect with oneself during a crystal healing process. This isn't for everyone, and that's okay. I don't add any crystals to the treatment unless there is a prior conversation ahead of time. Applying the Max Serum by Image Skincare. This is a great serum for smoothing out texture, fine lines, and wrinkles due to its advanced small molecular ingredients that are able to penetrate the deeper layers of skin. To seal everything in, I'm using Image Smoothing Cloud Cream. This moisturizer is so soothing and hydrating thanks to its main ingredients, squalene and hyaluronic acid. We did finish this facial at 7 p.m., so there was no need for SPF. I am moisturizing her lips with the Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex made with avocado oil and vitamin E. Leaves your lips feeling plump, soft, and appear fuller due to the peptides.
You're like glowing and stuff. Am I cute? Yeah, you're cute.